Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best professional gymnastics bars that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Milliard Professional Gymnastics Kip Bar, Height Adjustable. Here is a gymnastic bar that comes in a sturdy construction and can be perfect for kids. This will let you have easy assembling and includes all the necessary tools. Moreover, it has a weight capacity of 140 pounds, and it eliminates the need for having stabilizers or extension pieces. Additionally, this lets you choose from 2 different colors, and you can have a custom operation due to the adjustable design. It allows you to personalize it according to your requirements, as this includes a cool sticker pack. Furthermore, it is safe to use and is composed of high-quality materials so that you can use it for a long time. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Gymbarpro Gymnastics Training Bar for Kids Expandable Adjustable Height Folding Horizontal Bar for Home. This one comes in an adjustable design and lets you choose from multiple heights. The gymnastic bar makes sure there will be easy assembling, and you will also find a folding mat. Additionally, it is safe to use and has a durable construction. This will serve as a perfect gift for your child and is in a unique design. Moreover, it serves perfectly for introducing your child to have better balance and flexibility. Furthermore, it is available in lightweight construction and has a triangular structure that improves stability. At number 3, we have the Export Gymnastics Junior Training Horizontal Bar Expandable Kip Bar Adjustable Height Fitness Equipment for Home. Giving you the advantage to choose from different designs and colors, this gymnastic bar comes with an expandable height system. This is in a strong design and is extremely durable. Furthermore, the product can take weights of almost 440 pounds and eliminates the need for having extensions or stabilizers. Moreover, this will give you the feeling of having your own gym, and it can be ideal for maintaining better fitness. This also eliminates the need for having extra padding, as this comes with flat crossbars. Additionally, it is easy to assemble and comes with all the tools and instructions. It is very lightweight and comes with spring pin knobs. At number 2, we have the Athletic Bar Expandable Horizontal Gymnastics Bar, Folding Training Monkey Bars Climbing Tower. Composed of high-quality sturdy steel, this one has rust-proof powder finishing. The gymnastic bar will let you have easy storage, as this is available in a folding design. Moreover, it also includes adjustable floor levelers, and you can even select from 4 different height levels. Additionally, it is safe to use and allows you to use it both indoors and outdoors. This comes in a highly portable design and does not require bolting on the floor. The product has a weight capacity of up to 50 kilograms and is suitable for children of up to 12 years. Furthermore, this offers multiple benefits and helps to develop coordination and body and core strength. And finally, at number 1, we have the Yison Children's Gymnastics Bar Single Pole for Indoor Training. Available in a reliable design, this gymnastic bar makes a perfect gift to your child. It lets you have easy assembling and includes an instructional video. Moreover, this comes in a folding design, and it does not occupy much space. Furthermore, this will meet all your needs, as it gives you the advantage to choose from 4 different heights. The product also has high weight capacity and is safe to use. Additionally, it has an attractive look, and you can even choose from 2 different colors. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.